Tom here, Flip Anything USA. Today we're in one of my high-end homes, flips, and doing the finishing touches. Now peeling off the protective plastic on this Wolf hood. It's beautiful. But today what I want to talk to you about is framing the picture. So when it comes to houses, a lot of times all you got to do is clean up a place, right? And now this is a beautiful property. You know, you clean the windows and, you know, make it nice. You know, I'd replace these windows and I put in a nicer door here. What I want to talk about is framing the picture, and that means taking care of the yard, right? Because that's the perimeter. I got about 5,000 square feet of sod to put in. So I'm putting in Bermuda grass. I was going to try to do this before the winter, but didn't happen, so we're going to do it now. It's already got a pretty great sprinkler system here. The property hadn't been taken care of prior to my buying it. Today we're getting rid of all the weeds. That's what's in all these bags, and we're putting in some Bermuda, which I love. Bermuda doesn't require the water that other grasses take, at least in my experience, but it also, when it dies, it turns brown, but it comes back. It always comes back, and so that's why I'm a big fan of Bermuda grass. So today we've scraped everything clean, and I forgot to tell these guys, is Alex around? I want to go here, abajo, this. So we're getting too close to the electrical box on there. It's got to sit down a little bit lower. But so anyways, oh, hey, Alex, can you come here? Yeah, there's just a little bit of slope up here that I didn't want. You can kind of see this ramps up, not what I wanted. The dirt's a little high here. And see, when this gets wet, I don't want this getting wet. So if you can just take this down, you know, a couple inches from here to here so that we have a little under the grass. Good deal. Alex here is a great translator. Listen, if you're gonna have Hispanic folks that don't speak English, you better speak Spanish, or you better have somebody that understands it well, because miscommunications will cost you thousands. Believe me, I know. So you can see we got another pallet, a sod. This sod runs about $400, $450 a pallet, and I've got 6 pallets coming today, and then I'll have more. We're gonna have some rain, so we'll sit tight for after this goes down. Let the rain come, and then we'll come back again and wrap it up. But look, hey, I've got a live webinar tonight, 7 p.m. Central. Urge you to get into it. You know, I've got many millionaires, new millionaires in my class, and others that have just made, you know, hundreds of thousands or tens of thousands. It's worthwhile. It's real. I'm not a fake guru. I show you actual assets that built my wealth, made me a millionaire when in my 20s, and tens of millions of dollars ever since. And it's a fantastic way to make money, and I urge you to do the same. So just go to flipanythingusa.com and you'll get a quick education on what's possible. Not theory. It's not theory to me. It's how I've actually made my fortune. So be sure to tune, and please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and we'll hopefully see you tonight. And or just sign up also to get in the mentorship and get my book, Wake Up and Smell the Real Estate. It's been a bestseller on Amazon, Audible, and Kindle. It was that book that is what started the mentorship. So many people asked me they wanted to be taught in person, and so now that's what I do too. So thanks for watching. You want to learn how to make millions of dollars in real estate? I've made tens of millions over my lifetime, and I'm showing people how to do it. Get in my free webinar. I have it every Thursday, 7 p.m. Central. Go to the link below, flipanythingusa.com/webinar. Sign up for it. You can talk to me face to face if you want. Don't waste any time. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. You don't want to miss my channel. I've been doing it for years.